Today is Monday the 12th of October. We're going over to our other farm to do some spraying. It's dried up a bit over the weekend. It's not overly dry now, but going to do some pre-emergence onto the barley over there. If you look behind me, you'll be able to see this field here, which I did on Saturday, a couple of days ago. Now, where should we start? Or we're going to have what's being termed as a millennial farmer. Hey, fire straight up. I'm in the spraying now. Yeah, we're spraying now. It's a bit sticky. It's sticking to the wheels a bit, but we're not sinking in, which is the main thing, and we're not making too much mess. It's not leaving lumps or anything like that, huge lumps on the top. So yeah, we've done about, how much have we done? Let's have a look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've done about 6.5 hectares of this this first field, which was about 11 hectares. So just over halfway through this first field. Yeah, so the season for 2021 crop year has started off fairly similar to what 2020's did, with rain and very few opportunities to actually do the field work. I mean, I've drilled all the barley, as you've seen if you've watched my other video. The last one last week, which was actually from the previous week, was when I finished drilling the barley. But the only reason is because I work what some people class as stupid hours just to get it done. Work right through the night, and that is the last 2 seasons. That seems to be the only way to get everything done. So, but there seems to be plenty of time to have a rest in between, as in the 24-hour or 30-hour days. I don't do 4 or 5 in a row, anything like that. It only seems to be 1, and then I don't do anything for about 3 weeks. I mean, there's still plenty of stuff to do around the farm. Obviously, we've got pigs. You've seen a bit of that. Hopefully, I'll do a bit more of that in the rest of this video. But yeah, and there's always maintenance and stuff to do on the farm. But I am today on my own, as in the other guy has gone back home, and the other 2 are at university today. One's at university, one's at college. So yes, I'm actually on my own. I did my pigs before I came over here to do this spraying. So yeah, we'll just see how things go. I mean, I've got the phone on the window, as you probably can tell. It's not moving. I'm the one moving around. So right, you can see the spray coming out of the probably almost half of the boom. It's it should be about 50 centimetres from the ground. If you get it exactly right, because when the field isn't perfectly level, you can see it seesawing a bit, and then you should see them shut off 1, 2, 3, because they're in sections. Place where last year up here, or in the autumn time, I got stuck. No, that was actually in the springtime, wasn't it? In the springtime I was putting the first fertiliser on. It seems to be going okay at the moment. Doesn't seem to be sinking in. I can see in the camera. This is where the wet spot was. It still seems to be going okay. It still seems to be floating, which is good. Right, we just started drilling now. It's the same day, Monday the 12th of October. Said it was going to rain. It didn't seem to rain, but so I've just started. We're on the first pass here. The GPS messed about, so that's why there's another line in there. Yeah, this is the first pass. It says swath number 1 down there, so that means we've just started. We're going 7.3 kilometres now. We're at 178 kilograms a hectare. If you look, this has got more of a varied seed rate than the other one had. Because the soil varies a lot more on this field than it did where we were drilling last time. So yeah, we're now about to go into the higher seed rate, and you should see this jump up. Yeah, it has. It's just jumped up to 189. So yeah. Yep. So we'll see how long we can go before it rains. So. Right, I'm in the shed here repairing these hoppers. If you look, the middles have broken here, they come unattached. So you can't get the drill in here properly. You can just squeeze it in, but you can't put any force on it. So what I've done, I've got this drill here, but the problem is the battery's gone on it. So what I've done, I've put a couple of wires in the bottom, taped it all up, live and neutral there. Then I've got it connected here to these 2 wires here, which you can probably guess is a battery charger. Just connect it along here to the battery charger. So to make the drill work, the battery drill is 18 volt. But this is a 12 or 24, so I've got it on 12. I can't put it on 24, that'd be too much. So you put it on maximum power, which is probably putting out about 14-15 volts, and then it works. Not great, but under the circumstances, that's all I can do to get the drill in properly. So.
Get in, you pig! Not that way! Pig, you pig! Come on.
This is the automatic feeder for the pigs. Just press this button here. Start it up. The food comes out of this chute here, on there. There's a chain. I can get there, somewhere around here. Pulls the food on the bottom here. You can't put it too fast, otherwise it snaps the chain. There's along there, up there, in the shed there. It just drops down in these drop pipes. There, it fills the first one, then goes to the next one, the next one, the next one. And then it comes round to the end, which is there's this pen here with those two drop pipes there. Fills them up, then it goes on the top. That one on there. That out here. It fills this up. And when this gets to the weight, this thing here gets to the weight, pushes down and stops. That's how the whole thing works. So it automatically stops when it's full up. Right, thanks for watching another one of my videos. It's Saturday, I'm in the sprayer. I couldn't film it because I ain't got my mount and the GPS wouldn't work because I was on bare ground. I couldn't get the thing to work, so I couldn't hold the camera or anything. But thanks for watching another one of my videos. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, which is over there, another one of my videos which is down here. Cheers, bye bye.